Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another unboxing video from POPMART, and it is going to be the Crybaby Vacation Mode On series. This is their newest Crybaby series, and guys, as soon as I saw some of the dolls in this series, I literally fell in love. For example, this really tanned one called My Summer Vibe, and then this one in pigtails, chilling on the beach, and then the last one is called Gloog Gloog, and she has like a little tank top with the words "Girls Do Cry," and I thought it was so cute. But of course it was a little bit hard to get my hands on them at first. They were always sold out until like 3 days ago. I was finally able to place an order on the official Hong Kong POPMART website, and they came in yesterday in the mail, and so it took around 2 days, and I thought it would be so fun to unbox this together with you guys. And instead of doing my usual ASMR ones, I thought it would be cool to kind of switch it up a bit and just open the box in front of the camera. But if you are interested in my ASMR ones, I do have a lot of Labubu ones. I'll link them down below, and another Crybaby one. And also I will be comparing the size of these to the I think they're called Crying Again series for the Crybaby ones. So I'll do that at the very end of the video. So without further ado, let's jump right into opening this baby up. And obviously guys, I really want the secret one for this series. The secret one is actually a mermaid, which is so cute as well. It's got like purple hair, I think. So just taking the plastic wrapper off. Ta-da! I absolutely love like the color scheme as well, yellow and orange. It looks really summery, just like vacation mode. I guess I can also open the flap on the top. Let's take a thumbnail photo. All right, let's open these up before the sun goes down, as the days are getting shorter. By the way guys, today is New Year's, like the first day of 2026 when I'm filming this. So happy New Year, everyone. I just want to send you lots of love wherever you are in the world, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It just honestly means so much to me. All right, so let's open this one at the very bottom left corner. The one on the front cover is actually called Sunbathing, and she is so cute. I love her swimsuit. I love her like sunnies. So let's go ahead and rip. First one, guys. Honestly, unboxing like a blind box never gets old. Okay, so I'm not gonna look at the card. I'm just gonna open. Also, I'm not gonna feel, because I feel like if I feel, let's say like I feel a pigtail, or I feel the sunnies, then I know which one it is. So let's do the reveal, guys. First one, guys, is the one that I want. Pretty good luck on the first day of 2026. So I'm gonna take off these and reveal her pigtails. Oh, she's so adorable. She is perfection. She is perfection. So I'm gonna show you guys the detailing. Love these rubber bands on her head. And her skin is a bit tanned as well. So she is chilling on the beach. All right, next one. I saw this post on RedNote saying like, so I guess some people, they weighed how much each weighs, and apparently they're not the same weight. So I just wanna kind of feel which one is the lightest, because I think the lightest one is this one, Full Sail. Okay, so this one is definitely a bit heavier, and I think they said like the heavier one could be a mermaid or something. So this one feels a bit heavier than the rest. I'm gonna try the last one. Yeah, this one is the heaviest. Okay, I just figured out which one is the heaviest. Let's open this one. All right, and this one I'm gonna look at the card first. Okay. No, it was not the mermaid. But that's all right. I just got another one that I really, really like. And she is Gloog Gloog. Guys, if you're wondering why the names are so freaking cute, in Mandarin, it's actually Gulu Gulu. Which is like the sound of water when it boils, or when it's like, I don't know, usually it's when it's boiling. So girls do cry, that's okay. But I do feel like, okay, so it's not gonna fall off because it's sewn at the back, so that's good. Okay, I'm gonna try to feel the second heaviest. I do feel like this is the second heaviest. And I feel like, yeah, I think this is the second heaviest. Okay. Mermaid, please. Mermaid. Okay, honestly, guys, this is really bringing the inner child out of me. I'm not gonna look at the card first and just open the bag up. By the way, guys, this is how the bag looks like. So vacation mode on, Crybaby, a little sand castle at the bottom, nothing at the back. All right, should I feel? I'll just feel. Okay, I got this. This is my other favorite one. This is my other favorite one, guys. Okay, so not too bad. I opened all the ones that I like. Pretty good. Here she is. Oh my goodness, my baby. She is literally adorable. Look at that. Oh, she is perfection as well. I'm gonna open the 3 that are left just to check and make sure they're not the mermaid, but I do feel like they're probably not. Which one feels heavier out of these 3? I feel like these 2 feel heavier than this one. I'm really not sure. Or maybe this one does. Yeah. Okay, let's just wing it. Let's just choose this one. All right, mermaid, 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 mermaid. Let's rip. All right, so I'm gonna check the card again because I didn't check for the other one, the last one. This is a little bit stressful as well. Okay, No, it's not mermaid. But it is sunbathing, which is the one on the front cover. Oh, she's so adorable. And she has like a plastic wrapping thing, like a protection cover thing on her cheek and on her sunnies. So her sunnies can come down or it can go on top of her head, but it is sewn in at the back here so it doesn't fall off. This one is just too adorable, guys. I can see why she is on the front cover. I feel like she is the most like on vacation mode one. Okay. Oh, I just saw the card. It's not mermaid. It's Let's Surf. Here it is. Let's Surf. Ta-da. Let's just see how she looks like. She has purple hair, like lilac, light purple hair, and this amazingly cute surfboard. And her bikini, wow, girl. It is yellow and it has like ruffle, a little bow. Wow, she's got it all going for her. She's super cute as well. Last one, guys. Mermaid please, but it's probably full sale. That's the one that's missing from this full set. I'm not gonna look at the card. Final reveal, guys. Yes, it's full sale. Oh, no mermaid, that's okay. At least she's also a cutie patootie who is very tanned and has a little rabbit hat, blonde curls, and a pink bikini. Let's take a look at them one more time. Ta-da! The verdict is these three, I feel like, are heavier than these three. So if you are trying to get these three, if you have a chance to see them in store, hold them in your hand to see which one weighs heavier, and I guess you'll have like a better chance, because I was able to identify like these three first because they did feel heavier than these. Right now I'm just gonna go grab a Crybaby from my Christmas tree, the other series, which is called Crying Again, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got two of my favorite ones from the Crying Again series. This is What a Frog, and I forgot the name of this one, but it's the brown and the green one. So I guess I can compare the size of these two because they're very similar. But as you can see, the vacation mode on is a bit bigger than the Crying Again. It's a bit longer, but I guess the face is kind of the same size. But as you can see, the vacation mode on one is a bit longer in the body. Maybe the Crying Again series has a bigger face than the vacation mode on. But these two have like similar body lengths. And then the keychain area, or whatever you like to call the top part that hangs onto your bags as the charm, they're pretty much the same, right? And then the back. I feel like the sun has literally set already and the lighting is horrible, but I just want to show you guys how cute they are on my bag. So I actually hung some of them up on my purses that I feel like fit with the color scheme of the Crybaby. So this one is on my black Hermes. What is this bag called again? In the Loop. Yes, this bag is called In the Loop. Sorry, I just forgot. This one is so cute on darker bags, I feel like, maybe. And then I put, oh God, I forgot her name again. Chilling on the Beach. Yes, I put Chilling on the Beach on my, what is this called again? Ruly. Yes. This Hermes is called Ruly, yes. I just thought her hair, the color of her hair fits perfectly, matches perfectly with this color. The color that I got this Ruly in is called Baton, I think. Oh my God, I'm forgetting all of my Hermes knowledge. Anyways, and then last but not least, I also have my Loewe beach bag, and I put on Girls Do Cry, and her actual name is Gloog Gloog. Yes. Sorry, I'm horrible with names. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I am dying from the cuteness. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Please leave a comment down below and tell me which of the POPMART series is your favorite. I would love to know. And guys, thank you so much again for watching this video, and I hope you like it and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.